In this video, I will share how to copy and paste from a $25 million per month company and earn money on the internet. And you can start doing all of this by nothing but copying and pasting links. My AI softwares will help you make money in every step. And the best part is that this video is free. The steps I'll show are free and my softwares are free for my YouTube viewers. Links are in the description. It only takes a few minutes to a few hours of your time per day. No technical knowledge, no experience required, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid via PayPal, via bank transfer, or via crypto if you want. You can also get paid via other payment methods. It's 100% beginner friendly, so you can start making money today. Make sure you watch the full video because I will show you 3 simple steps. If you skip any section, you miss a step, and this will take you to failure in this system. We'll copy the model of a very popular $25 million per month company. They made it super simple for them and for us so we can follow them and get results from today. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button and share this video with your friends and family. This way you learn yourself, you help others learn how to make money online, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. My name is Mosh Bari. I remember around 5 years back, I was sitting in a restaurant and my online business was just taking off. I had always loved watching Casey Neistat's videos, and his career had exploded when he started posting a video every day. I knew that if he could do it, I could too. For Casey, it was about shooting videos every day. But for me, it wasn't about video. It was about making $1 million per year. I decided to take the plunge and start doing what I was doing every day non-stop, like Casey. But when I told my friends what I was doing and how I was inspired by Casey, they laughed at me. That will never work, they said. You are not Casey Neistat. But I didn't listen to them. I followed Casey's model for success and stayed focused on my goal, and it paid off. My business took off, and now I'm a successful online marketer. I have a 7-figure software business that generates more than 7-figure per year, even when I'm sleeping, traveling, or chilling with my friends and family. The lesson from this story takes us to today's money making system. Once you start, others will say you're doing it wrong. But the secret to success is to follow one model and stay focused until you get results. Once you start getting results, it will be yours. Results will be yours. No one can take your results from you. If you lose your focus, you will lose. Naysayers will win, and they will laugh at you even more when you lose. Are you ready for this? Let's do this. Before we begin, like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Share with your friends and family and social media sites. This way you learn, help others learn how to make money online, and get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Every day I look at YouTube, I get astonished seeing the success of people that I had no idea about. Today was one of those days. Somehow I looked at the keyword called calligraphy. You will see millions of views on the videos talking about calligraphy, but one video with the title 15 satisfying drawing and calligraphy hacks from 5-Minute Crafts channel caught my attention. I looked at their channel and they have 75.7 million subscribers. But that's not the most important thing here. The more important than that is that they have a website called brightside.me, and brightside.me has 13.5 million monthly visitors. Wow, this is huge. But that's not even the most important part here. The more important than this is that 64% of their traffic, which is more than 50% of their traffic, is coming from social media, and almost all of that traffic are coming from Facebook. Now this was a surprise because they have a huge traffic and following on YouTube, but the website is getting traffic from Facebook. How cool is that? And wow, really? Millions of subscribers, viewers, and traffic on YouTube, millions of Facebook, and 13 million on a website. That's a wow. Now for me, every visitor or every view equals $5. 10 million views or 10 million visitors equals $50 million for me. I don't know about them, but you can possibly imagine how much money they can earn. According to SimilarWeb.com, their revenue is $10 million to $25 million per month. Not bad, huh? Now, if you want to follow them as a successful role model, these are the simple steps. Step number 1, start with creating content that has demand on traffic sources like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Use my software link in the description and make simple content like simple videos. The same content you should publish on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and on your website. Step number 2, then link your website on your Facebook page and link your Facebook page on every YouTube video you publish. This way, you use the social media to build other social media channels, and at the same time, you channel your traffic to your website as well. If for any reason one social media channel or one traffic channel stops working, you still got other channels, and above all, you got your own website. Step number 3, make money by promoting offers as an affiliate. You can start from proven and quality offers from ClickBank, Commission Junctions, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, and also run Google AdSense on your website, monetize YouTube videos, and that is it. Let the traffic flow make you money from your website and all your social media channels. Traffic will be yours, your social media channels will be yours, website will be yours, the brand will be yours, and all the money will be yours. Don't forget to build list of email subscribers. If that is painful to you, my software turns any PDF into lead magnet into your opt-in page and build list without an opt-in page and lead magnet. It builds list without going through the hassle of all this. Use my software Maven to build a website just by copying and pasting URL. Let me show you how it works. Click the Add Blog button, copy the URL of the content you want to borrow and paste it right here and click Create button. Your blog is created automatically and here is the content. Add a title of your blog, choose the featured image or upload it from your hard drive. Put your affiliate link wherever you want, paste your affiliate link here and click Save. You can add as many affiliate links as you want. Do some formatting like italics, highlight some areas to make it beautiful. Once you are done, click the Save button and your settings will be saved. You see, your blog is ready but the content is not yours. So we have AI text rewriter. All you have to do is to click one button and your content will be rewritten with our AI or artificial intelligence. You can anytime click on this plus button and add image, text URL, anchors if you want. You can upload, use Pixabay, Google CC. We're uploading an image from our hard drive. The image is uploaded and the blog post looks beautiful. Add more images to make it better, more links and formatting if you want, and click Save. Complete this form with your desired information and for search engine optimization to get free traffic from search engines like Google. Once you are done, click the Publish Now button and your blog post is ready to rock and roll. Now this is your beautiful, professionally built blog post that's ready to drive traffic and make money for you. And use my software Epic to make videos using just copying and pasting links. We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing short and our shorts are under 1 minute long. Of course, they're getting good number our views, we do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube, and we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want, click the text generator, paste it right here, use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add. And your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more video sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube, 100% free. This is a 1-minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you will learn how to make money online, you help others learn how to make money online, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.